Guys, kila pleasure. Angizenzi. Kila pele melo tired ke tshosha sa down. Oh. Ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngikora. Sana. Yo, guys, I'm tired. And I get just sat that down. No. Chemi kita polokwane, kita amapula. Kaya polokwane, no, kita amapula.
Straight from the jungle. And when you dare to look at a braver person.
You're sharp, Unjan.
And even sleeps with it in his bed.
Yeah.
Or bathroom. But that's not all. His house is also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes that he himself seeks out and brings from different places. He even brought it from the jungle. And would you dare to live with it? Look at a braver person than one. I'm sure you haven't seen. Python at home and even sleeps with it in his bed.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Doesn't feel any fear. But that's not all.
Ngiyafa.
Ubulawa
Leso sikhathi ngineclass. Ngithi ngikhathele. Leso sikhathi ngineclass manje ngo-10 cabanga.
ubuye la ePitori?
Ngibuyile. In and out.
Uthathe isikhathi bani ngathi DJ?
But that's not all. His house is also home to several
Qede
poisonous
ngo-2. Ngene ngo-1.
Oh, what?
Chomi ke hangover. Chomi ke hangover shem. Not even. Ngilapile utsila. Bakuphi abantu?
Bakhona. Umele unokuthi bebu.
Bebu. Yo, mangibuya la into azongiyamathela yona noma ngishifta.
Ubhadala. Awuboni ngiyakuzela yena unika iminka uyi-knock off ikhedi ngithi. Iyosuka makabuye.
Oh, sure. Ngiyabuya today. Ngiclass yokugcina ngize ngene next week.
Isikhathi bani?
Manje ngo-10. Angigezi ngihamba ngiso.
Akutheke.
Ke hlapi. Makena ke le song. Keep bonnet kuphela.
You're saving the makeup.
Sana, you know one thing about my makeup artist, ne? Let me tell you.
Yeah, she was one who makeup now.
And then I see when you're putting makeup here 2 days. You know.
They actually did an awesome job, actually.
Ngiyabonga yo ngithatha down shem. Things prepare mina ngiyesikolweni. Ngithi things prepare ngihambe.
Wena ungena ngo-10 uphasi na 22 9 awukagezi userious ukuthi awugezi?
No, Miss Coach angigezi ne cause ngiza amazinyo ngivele ngisule tap shapa ke hlapi. Ke Regine zama kilo so ke bonnet out ngiyabrush.
Sipantu sitlankga ngwanyana.
Miss Coach no.
Kuba ihlaphiwe ntombazana.
No, like Miss Coach like ngigezile izolo. Ngabo 11 to 12 before ngiyodlala lapha. So sho ukuthi kahle ngigezi today.
Ngekeli. Ngabo to 12 it's a day.
Yeah. Angizokeza mangibuye Miss Coach ke late.
Ngekeli ubuso. Bese ama-curtain going down. Angithi you don't want to bad.
Look at a braver person than I'm sure you haven't seen.
Miss Coach ufanele sisawe.
Dad, tell me what your yakhe yasinyenyisa.
Miss Coach like anginasikhathi ngizogeza mangibuya.
himself seeks out.
I think I'm gonna put you in a bath. Ngamanzi amaningi. Ngithi nje ngikumonithe ngihlale phezu something bese ngithi I'm watching you geza. Ntombazana geza.
Yo, Shem.
Also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes that he himself seeks out.
Let me find. Let me. She hasn't. Ngihambe nani esikolweni ne?
I'm sure you
I feel like you always
Imagine.
knows. Sana. Meme, kuya.
Nah.
Ayimboni.
Awumboni?
Accepting the camera, mbo.
10-foot python is home and even sleeps with it in his bed. He calmly bathes it in his own bath. Doesn't feel any.
Hayi nawe awumo.
Sebangena. Thina sebangena.
Awusebenzela wakho uyafika.
Look at a braver person.
Ngihamba ngisobe yabona ngisebenza.
Ah.
And even sleeps with it in his bed. Sits in his own bathroom and doesn't feel any. But that's not all.
Ichayile ke.
Phela ngiyangena. And yikho umuntu ozongitshela nethi.
Wena ngifuna leyodwa.
And bazothi ngigezile musini.
Userious usayiphefuma.
Ngiyo-attend ngisebenzisa coach onenkinga ngifonele.
Hey, ntombazana.
Look at a braver person than this one. I'm sure you haven't seen. This guy has a 10-foot python and even.
Ona lekuthatha angifonele.
They brought this python straight from the jungle, and when you hear the lift, this one, you have.
Ngizifika ngithi nemezwe le-red ye-650.
Size bani?
No, actually, ngithanda izinto ezibhegi. You understand? So I didn't buy my size.
This python straight from the jungle.
Wena ngithenga size yami.
Look at a braver person than this one. I'm sure.
Angithi angazi ukuthi outfit ngiyithenga every day, then ngilahlela le mangicede like akusapara dilo tseo. Angazi bani la message lawa ahamba ngelo ngamanamba ngama-14 16 18 kanjalo. Says bani vele.
Ufuna uyabhuma gas.
But that's not all. His house is also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes.
Wathuna yini?
Asankinga Miss Coach ungaya. Nobani? Uhamba nobani?
Ukuthi uhamba nobani?
Ngiyabuza khona ukuthi uhamba nobani?
No short one, umngani wami.
That's not all. His house is also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes.
Maki.
Himself eats out and brings from different places. He even brought this python straight from the jungle. And would you dare to live with it? Look at a brave.
Anithanda izinto.
Mamela.
Ngithanda izinto Miss Coach.
Okay. So ngifuna ungikhaphe.
Umelo.
Yeah, good girl. Uzojabula ukuthi ubebe ungiphathele. Bheka, ngihamba nawe no short one. Wena after 30 minutes uyahamba uyashiya sikufuni.
Why do you want to news?
Braver person than this one. I'm sure you haven't seen. This guy.
Ngiyabona mara ukuthi ngiyanginyuza ngifake emakhaleni.
Angeke. After 30 wena nje ufake ne-alarm ye-30 minutes.
Yo, futhi akumelanga ngihlale
brought this python straight from the jungle. And would you dare to live with it? A braver person than this one.
Masiqeda uku-order. Masiqeda uku-order wena uhambe.
He calmly bathes it in his own
ufuna
bathroom.
ukuthi kahle kahle ibhili ibhadala yimi.
Several poisonous and predatory snakes that he himself seeks out and brings from different places.
Inkinga ikuphi lapho?
Python straight from the jungle. And we
Hayi bengayizi kahle le ndaba mase ngicela ukuyizwa man.
haven't seen. This guy has a 10-foot python at home sitting in his bed. He calmly bathes
Ngiyela kuba ngibona
here, but that's not all.
Hayi ile beyingqoka izolo. Yebo.
Look at a brave than this one. I'm sure you have. This guy has a 10-foot python who sleeps with it in his bed. Calmly bathes it in his own bathroom.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's not all. The house is also home to several poisonous
Very
and
nice,
predatory snakes.
very. Engqoleni.
Look at a brave person than this
Ngifaka nama-galaxy shoes there.
home and even sleeps with it in
Basuthi ngigezile yabo.
his bathroom and doesn't feel any fear. But that's not all. His house is also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes that he himself seeks out and brings from different places. He brought this python straight from the jungle. And would you dare to live with it? Look at a braver person than
Awukho right
I'm sure you
ntombazana.
haven't seen. This guy has a 10-foot python at home and even sleeps with it in his bed. He calmly bathes in his own bathroom and doesn't feel any fear. But that's not all. His house is also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes that he himself seeks out.
Okay, all right. Ngene ebhegini, ingene ekhwapheni ibheg.
Would you dare to live with it?
Let me walk to school.
I'm sure you haven't seen. This guy has a 10-foot python at home and even sleeps
That's
with
all
it.
right. Let's go.
Why udla ama-ice ngoba uthi asiwe ngoba lo-pet.
Ayizani.
In his own bathroom and doesn't feel any
Uyenza ama-ice cube uthi asiwe ngoba lo-pet.
snakes.
You are breaking. Ish.
Outfit, bafuna ukubona outfit.
Straight from the jungle.
Guys, that's not outfit. Don't have outfit, guys. Outfit ko kaya mara, guys. Come on, like. Awa ma.
His own bathroom.
Ukubona outfit.
That's not all. This is also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes that even seeks out and brings from different.
Akayikhohlwanga i-price tag futhi ukhohlwa, akayikhohlwanga.
And would you dare to live with it?
Ayikhiphiwe ama-price wamajini adurayo.
Akayikhohlwanga i-price tag.
As remove the tap time akayilibala le maobane ke tso DJ ke ye bear take e. Ke ntshitse price fela.
Snakes that even seeks out different places. He even brought this python straight from the jungle. And would you dare to live with it?
Uyoyikhipha ama iyowashwa.
I'm sure you haven't seen. This guy
Ayiwashwa. Iyalahliwa.
bathes it in his own bathroom and doesn't feel any fear. But that's not
Yo,
all.
yo mara.
Several predatory snakes out and brings from different places.
Yeah.
Even brought this python
Anginadata and izocima. Ungaphumi bahlele indaba ngibe ngithenga idatha.
This guy has a 10-foot python at home and even sleeps with it in his bed. He calmly bathes it in his own bathroom and doesn't feel any fear. But that's not all. His house is also home to several poisonous and predatory snakes that he himself seeks out and brings from different places. He even brought this python straight from the jungle. And would you dare to live with it? Look at a braver person than this one. I'm sure you haven't seen. This guy has
Yes,
a 10-foot
abafollowers
python
ngale bambuza ukuthi did you wash your teeth? Ubani yena lo?
in his own bathroom and doesn't feel any fear. But that's not
Mara
all.
enekudala kanjani? Ngitheni ku-life ngisengathi ngigeze amazinyo. Like ngisitulile before, like ngizogcoka phela bengingagcoka ngalesikipha lesi bengigcoka amapijama. Like angithathi serious neighbor imans.
This guy has a 10-foot python at home and even sleeps with it in his bed. Only bathes it in his own bathroom and doesn't feel any fear. But that's not all.
Abazwanga phela bathi ugezile amazinyo.
Shoot me. Shoot me. I'm going to bona ba mame. No. Setting in 9 minutes. Get a match. Get a match. Kumangatu ya pauya. Get drink water, Chum. I'm drinking water, Chum. Thank you. Umbalini baba Miss Coach. Ngumntwana, ngiyinja. And I can do that to people. Like I'm not telling you my book. Okay, try it, McDonald's. I can't to show him. No, I'm going to DM him with Surumo guy. As a you are allowed and free to DM him. Not like I'm a couple of one show. I feel like I will. Oh, it's told. Yo, Hashem. I'm tired. Mañana. Why Urobet? Siamo, are you not Urobet? Coco. Udah lah, parang kila lubos. Wala pili. May kita check. Alam sab. Again. Oh. Sab. Dami ako, nagsaya. Ba-attend. What I made a quick?
Cookie nice thing.
Ish.
Lan.
Pero ako, ano ko siya? Sharp. What's up, Chum? Umunya, thank you. Umunya tala tayo man all. Sharp. Kasi lagi na karoon sa to. Pero, asa pa. I'm a red Chum. Chum is a little bit more. Tabo ben on hair. Utrecht from Pito from Pito to From Pitori to Polokwane, 1 hour 30, maybe 45 minutes. Problem go hore show remise ke maphodisa for like almost 1 hour. So ke insurance or re late. Mara ke persiste mara. Kule persiste ya tla mara. Cause I want some no one some. Chama ke dire ke amo makeup. Amo.com. Salon ang ke mention le ke motegile. Rawa fast again. Ciao. Bye. Okay. Yo, when I keep you over the time, can I get an election? I was but it's so heated because like sana get home or so it wasn't easy. Big Nicola. You like to relate, guys. Big Nicola. Or if I disconnect, guys, and I gotta get that because I would do the makeup. Yeah.